to make you look better. I'm going to make sure that the way you dress is much, much better. Normally when we have our clothes and we give them out for either dry cleaning or ironing or washing, there's one part that we're always thinking, and that is, can they actually look better? Could it have been ironed better? Could it be sanitized better? Can we make our clothes look as spick and span as the first day when we bought them, as good as new? Well, LG says you can, and they've come up with a brand new gadget. I love this gadget. I don't know how many people will actually be able to use it, because it is about 1 lakh plus. But I have to say that eventually this is going to be in every single home. I think prices will come down. This is my prediction. You'll have a refrigerator, washing machine and an LG styler in every single home. You know what all it can do? It steams your clothes like a steam iron. It sanitizes them, it dries them out, it makes them look really, really good. Just take a look. It's fantastic.
Tech has truly integrated into every part of our lives. Our phones help us connect, devices clean the air around us, smartwatches help us stay fit, and smart devices respond to our commands. But what if technology could take care of our clothes too? Sounds amazing, right? Fortunately, it's not a theory anymore. LG has come up with a device that takes care of our wardrobe as well. Yes, the device you see on your screen is actually LG's latest styler, an innovative product that is part of a new category and promises to change the way of our clothing needs. So without any further ado, let's refresh some clothes. LG has bundled in a package of add-ons with the styler. We get 3 hangers in the box along with a detachable shelf and a pack of aroma strips. Surprising, but necessary for this machine. Rocking a slim profile, the styler with us is in mirror black color. Looks very chic and stylish. Also, the silver trim on the edge adds to the premium look. Though we cannot ignore the fact that this is not a small product. It is tall and weighs over 80 kilos. There are bottom-mounted wheels though, in case you want to shift the styler between rooms. LG provides a highly receptive LED touch control panel on the front, which gives the user access to its various programs, all of which are designed to cater to a specific need. There is a refresh mode, a special care mode, a sanitary mode, and even a gentle dry mode. Users can select their preferred program from the panel itself and can also choose the intensity depending on their needs. We decided to refresh our clothes first. Hanging a couple of worn t-shirts inside, we put the styler to work. It took this machine as little as 20 minutes to resurrect these clothes and bring them back to their original glory. The bad odor was gone and the outfits felt fresh. Next in line was the Gentle Dry program. Using LG's patented technology, the styler moves the hangers placed inside repeatedly. This motion, combined with the heat pump technology, results in your clothes getting dry no matter what the weather is outside. Additionally, this process is also crucial for our hygiene, since it eliminates dust and mites from our clothes, which might give us an allergic reaction. Surprisingly, the styler is really quiet even when it is drying clothes at high intensity, which was very impressive. Now on to the next one. The sanitary mode utilizes LG's proprietary TrueSteam technology that can eliminate up to 99.9% harmful viruses, bacteria, and allergens. What adds more legitimacy to this claim is the fact that this product is certified by the British Allergy Foundation. But how does this TrueSteam technology work? As it turns out, there are detachable water and drain tanks placed at the bottom front of the styler that hold the water for it to conduct its steaming process. Oh, by the way, it's not just the clothes that can be sanitized or refreshed, it takes care of those soft toys as well. While the styler does perform all of its functions to perfection, we felt that the holding capacity inside is rather limited and the users would need to prioritize what items they want to get refreshed. The LG team must have realized this, which might be the reason that the door of the LG styler is utilized for the pants press feature. There are hooks on board where you can hang your trousers. Encasing them in the plastic fold-out, we let the styler do its job, and yes, there were visible differences. The creases were gone and the trousers felt ready for our next adventure. This styler is also a smart product. Once you hook up the styler with Wi-Fi, you can operate it remotely from anywhere using your smartphone. Additionally, the ThinkQ app allows the user to download more programs for the styler depending upon the fabric the user wants to refresh, dry, or more importantly, sanitize. After spending an entire day with the LG Styler, it is safe to say that the brand has hit the mark with this machine. It looks great, performs even better, and comes with all the smart features you'd expect in a premium product. At 1,45,990 rupees, this is not a product for everyone, but we hope that as this category and tech expands and prices come down, this becomes a mainstay in every home.